In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a fade to black transition using Canva. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your video presentations with a professional touch. So whether you're putting together a video for work, school, or just for fun, this step-by-step guide will have you adding fade to black transitions with ease. First, you'll need to head over to Canva's website. If you don't have an account, it's really easy to sign up. However, assuming you already use Canva, you'll want to log into your account. Once you're on the home page, locate and click the Continue button to proceed into the app environment. Next, you'll be prompted to select your Google account. Choose the account that you've associated with Canva previously, and if there's a subsequent Continue button, give that a click as well to finalize the sign-in process. Once you're all signed in and ready to go, you'll need to open your project or create a new one if you haven't started yet. After your design space is ready, look for the option to add a new page. The idea here is you'll be adding a blank page that will serve as the black screen for our transition. Click Add Page, and once you have that new page on your project, you're going to change its background color. It's crucial that this page is entirely black, as this will act as the fade effect between your video clips. To change the background color, select the page and go to the Color Selection tool. From there, choose the black color. With that done, your new solid black page is ready to be used as a transition. Now you need to position this black page between the clips you wish to separate with a fade. Simply click and drag it into place within your storyboard, making sure it's snug between the two parts of your video. Next, let's tweak the duration a bit to ensure the transition feels just right. You can adjust how long the black page displays by clicking on it and dragging the edges to your preferred length. A good rule of thumb is to keep it long enough to know it's a transition, but not so lengthy that it distracts from your video's flow. Now with the black page set, we want to add transition effects to each clip that borders your black page. Right-click the first clip adjacent to the black page. A menu will pop up. From there, you want to click Add Transition. Look for the Match and Move transition and select it. You'll likely want to adjust this transition's duration to further refine the fade effect. Before you finalize everything, I recommend rewinding to right before the transition starts. Click the play button to preview how it looks with the non-black clips and your new fade to black effect, ensuring that it's seamless and smooth. Once you're satisfied, you can save or share your project as needed, and just like that, you've created a professional fade to black transition using Canva. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you experiment with these tools, the more versatile your video projects will become.